my film. Yeah.
What's about? SMP.
Are they? I'm gonna blame with you. Are they? My film.
Coronavirus.
Virus. Aha, are they?
Okay. Yes. Agnes Educhimwa. Agime Paiboni. Oh, coronavirus. Adumnyame. Bekuji uma. Oh, coronavirus. Adumnyame. Bekuji uma. Lord have mercy, for we have no one else and nowhere to go. Lord take control. Lord have mercy, for we have no one else and nowhere to go. Oh, coronavirus, adumnyame, bekuji uma. Adumnyame bekuji uma. Adumnyame obatampe eja uma ye mobo entitie Yesu fai waya diimu ya dia ya toa yento ye dide ye koda yetumina asorimpo eja uma ya kwanga ya yamsisiye ye hunya ye nyo huye mobo hade tiye free woimu coronavirus ye hecha pati ya no huye mobo sayabo ni bimpa hecha pache ye huye mobo sanye wa humo protie hade kayen sadia wado yetiano osisi abadori sapon wani adia ejati yene na woma yewo coronavirus adumnyame tiano coronavirus adumnyame bekuji uma. Coronavirus adumnyame bekuji uma.
We must wash our hands regularly, use alcohol-based sanitizers, stop shaking hands.
China, America, Italy, in fact, the whole world. The world is in your hands. We depend on you. Okay, I will urge everybody, my brothers and sisters, my mommies and my puppies, that we should wash our hands always with soap and running water. Before we eat, before we touch, wear your masks and gloves. Thank you. God bless you all. Ghana for real. Agnes Educhimwa. Forward ever. Perfect entertainment. Take us, be to